Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and today I'm going to show you how to take a little bit of felt, some Dollar Tree items, and a Xyron hot glue gun to make this super cute felt floral arrangement that's perfect for any spring decor that the kids can make or that you can make. Check out the end of the video so you can see how you can win your own Xyron Multistick hot glue gun. Alright, let's jump in. Let me show you how to make this super cute project. So I pulled out a bunch of felt scraps to make these super cute flowers. Let me show you how easy this is. I'm gonna start with the pink one. So I'm just taking a little piece of the pink felt right here, folding it in half. It really does not even have to be that perfect. And then I'm just gonna come in and do some sort of randomish type circle with a few little wibble wobbles in the middle of it all. Move your scissors around until you get kind of like some funky shape like you see there. And now I've created two of them. I really don't feel like doing any more than two is very beneficial because you start having a harder time cutting. So just folding the felt and over is great. So I'm gonna call this probably the bigger, maybe even the medium size, probably the bigger one. So we have different size flowers. All right, let's do another one that's a smaller version of that. So here, we're just gonna cut a little bit of a smallerish circle. I really don't wanna have any sharp edges. I really want this to be nice, kind of rounded. So anywhere I see kind of like a pointed edge like there, I'm just gonna come in and kind of round it up a little bit. For this one, I didn't have any scraps left over, so I just love this blue so much. I thought it fit perfectly for what my vibe was for this particular project. So I'm gonna pick kind of an in-between size. So I'm gonna cut right about here and just go down. But you know what? I keep all my felts. Specifically, like if it's this size, or even if it was this size, I keep it. I don't keep bits like this. I don't keep them. I just don't find a use for it. So I'm gonna fold this guy in half, and again, somewhat of a circle-ish type shape, and I'm probably not gonna get a perfect, more of an ovalish, but whatever. I'm gonna go in and out, make it look a little wobbly, amoeba shaped. That's the best word for it, amoeba shaped. And there we go. Little funny circles. So these could technically make two identical flowers, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make these two identical flowers to fit on one of the really cute popsicle sticks, but these are like really super sweet colored popsicle sticks. So this is a perfect craft for kids if you wanted to, but I think it's kind of a fun craft for adults too. So I'm gonna pick a color that has nothing to do with any of these colors here. So let's go with yellow. Now it's time to get out the hot glue. Hey, look, I made a cutie little elephant. Hee. That's not what we're going for though. So one of the beautiful things about when you fold your felt in half, we're gonna make a front and a back side, is that you are actually making the two sides to your flower so that the right side sticks up. It doesn't matter, it's felt, if it's not the right side. But what I don't wanna have is a flower that does this where it looks like it's kind of off on the sides. So the first stage is we are going to take a little bit of our hot glue. This is our hot glue from Xyron. I love it because it's got these multi-sticks. I can fit 3 of these sticks in this little channel port back here. I only have 2 right now, but I can easily add another one, which just means I don't have to fill it up as much. So I'm going to open up the little shoe part here, add a little bit of glue kind of going all the way around, and then one down the center. And this just makes this project go really super fast. So then I can take my little cute colorful stick, and I can also take my felt, and then boom, ta-da, and there we go. Super simple. Now all I need to do is just add a little bit of glue. I'm gonna do this back to back without having to put this down. We're gonna add a little bit more glue, add our fun shape, and now my flower doesn't have to be identical. I can have all kinds of fun with this. Put the shape right there, flip this over, add a little bit of glue here. And last to finish it off, I have pom-poms. Let's pick out a pom-pom. And then a little dollop right there. Boop, right there. And then to the other side, a little dollop. Boop, there we go. And oh my gosh, look how super adorable this looks. My cutie little flower. Almost looks like a lollipop, but it's a flower. All right, time to make more. So here they all are. Look how super cute. All these really like adorable, just bright colored fun flowers. They almost look like little lollipops. They really do look like lollipops. I almost want to lick them. Now it's time to put them inside our planter. So I swung by the Dollar Tree and found this really cute flowers and garden little pail, and also a styrofoam cube. So what I have already done is I've gone through and I've made little holes where I want to have all of my pieces. So I've kind of like pre-fit holes. And then this I just saved from a package that came in the mail. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this around here, stuff it around the side. I find it easier to put this in first before I put the flowers. So let me finish getting this in here. I'm gonna leave a little bit off the side so I can fill in some gaps if I have them. And I'm gonna start with just this little guy right here because it's pink. I want it to be the furthest away from the pink. I just find where I made one of my little holes and it's just gonna rest in here. The ones that are further in the back of the pail are the ones I'm gonna have be higher up, and then the ones that are in the front are gonna be lower down. So I'm just gonna find a few other big ones. And I've already kind of pre-decided how far deep I want all of these, so now it's just a matter of just placing them in. And however far down they go, that's where they're gonna be. Makes it really easy if you pre-do the holes before you have all of this stuff in here. See, that one goes all the way down. Makes it super simple. And now I'm just gonna go in with my little bit of my extra and just, you know, kind of add in a little bit so it makes it look a little more natural. Oh, as natural as felt flowers can look inside of a can. Have it kind of hang out, and you can pick whatever fun crinkle paper you want. And look how stinking adorable this looks. I absolutely love this. So easy, super simple. Kids are gonna love it. A little bit of something springish for you guys. So let's talk about the giveaway. Xyron is sponsoring this video and the giveaway. Your chance to win this amazing multi-stick hot glue gun that comes with this really cool cartridge. So you can fit 3 glue sticks in this really cool cartridge. It fits right in, but wait, there's more. You also have the extended cartridge, which allows you to have even more capacity of hot glue. And why is this so important? Well, I absolutely love it because I can put 3 full-size 8-inch hot glue sticks into this big guy, or 3 4-inch glue sticks into the original one that came with the hot glue gun when you first get it. But that's not it. You also get a package of 4-inch glue sticks. And when you also get the larger cartridge, you get a whole package of 8-inch glue sticks as well. That is super cool. So how do you enter? What do you need to do? Leave a comment on how you would use this multi-stick hot glue gun from Xyron. This prize is only available to United States only, so please make sure you leave a comment that you do live in the United States. For a second entry, hop on over to my Instagram, leave a comment on my feed. That includes the flower post that you see here. And also, please, I would love if you like and subscribe to my YouTube and my Instagram. And Xyron would absolutely love if you jump on over to their blog post. You can check out my cool Xyron blog post with this fun wreath that I made, and it's over on the Xyron blog. And you can check out this video, link down in the information section as well. We made this last week. There is a code Erin15 for 15% off your entire order, and it's only $5 to ship. All the information for the giveaway and also for the coupon code Xyron are down in the information section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to stay safe and just create. Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. It's Erin Reed for Erin. I need you.
She's gonna do a video.
Stop.